Good day everyone! We are currently at Puerto Princesa and will be traveling to El Nido.
There are tricycle offers along the way, but we will be looking for multicabs going to San Jose Terminal or New Market.
The fare is 15 pesos per person and travel time is around 10 minutes. We just arrived at the terminal and we noticed that there are two bus companies traveling to El Nido. Roro Bus, the green one, and Cherry Bus. We'll be riding Cherry Bus for this trip.
As we approached the Cherry Bus, we were greeted and assisted by their employees.
Hi, Kips! Ayan si Kips ang nag-assist sa amin, diba? Saka dito po bibili ng ticket. Yan, kasama namin si Rose. Pero mahihain siya. Ayun, magkano po yung ticket sa El Nido? Magkano po? Ayan, bale 550 yung ticket pa El Nido. And then, aircon bus na po yun. Pagkasakay, with CR pa. Ilan oras po ba ang biyahe?
6 hours.
6 hours. Tapos po pag yung hindi aircon, magkano naman po ang niya?
400 pesos.
400 pesos. And ano pong earliest na biyahe niya sa El Nido, Palawan?
45 a.m. ang umaga. Ay, 6 a.m.
6 a.m.
Saka 9 a.m. po.
And 9 a.m. So 6 a.m. guys, saka 9 a.m. Ang maganda doon, pag 6 a.m., mas marami tayong oras na masuspend sa El Nido. Diba? Agree si Kips. Thank you, Kips.
Since it's going to be a long trip, you may buy some snacks at the terminal before boarding the bus. We're now here at the Cherry Bus. We took this bus because it's going to be more comfortable than going the other bus.
Yeah, and it's air conditioned. They have their own bathroom. Also, compared to van, there's more leg space because this guy is tall, so usually he has knee problems when riding long rides in tight spaces.
So I really need that long space, especially in my knees.
So this would be very, very convenient for him.
How much was the bus fare?
Oh, and the fare is 550 pesos. If you take the van, it's usually 600 pesos, 700 pesos. However, if you're coming from the airport, that would be more convenient since the van
is already
there. But for us, we came from the city center area or the downtown area. So we just took a multicab. It only took us 15 pesos per person.
We'll see you there, our next destination.
Oh my gosh, the wind is so strong. We just stopped for a bit at the stopover. Here, let me show you.
We are having a second stopover for the bus to gather some passengers. We are taking this moment to stretch our legs and have a look around. It's time to head back to the bus and continue with our journey.
El Nido, el Nido, el Nido.
Kuya!
Welcome Palawan.
Thank you very much, Kuya.
Pogi naming driver.
Driver and yung conductor. Pupunta kay Nido.
Safe na safe kami, guys.
Share tayo.
Salamat.
Thank you po.
Salamat.